The Constitutional History of Pakistan 1973, Case Laws, Total Marks 05, Topic number 06 Al-Jihad Trust vs Federation of Pakistan, Judges Case, PLD 1996S, C324 Introduction Short QA and MCQS A. Introduction Summary of Topic Al-Jihad Trust vs Federation of Pakistan. The case of Al-Jihad Trust vs Federation of Pakistan, PLD 1996 SC 324, delves into crucial aspects of Pakistan's constitutional framework, particularly concerning the appointment of judges and the transfer of judges between high courts. This essay aims to provide an overview of the key conclusions and directions issued by the court, shedding light on the principles guiding appointments and transfers within the judiciary. 1. Appointment of judges. The court highlighted the importance of promptly filling permanent vacancies within the offices of Chief Justice and judges in the superior courts. It emphasized that permanent vacancies occurring in normal circumstances should be filled within 30 days. However, if a vacancy arises due to unexpected events, such as a judge's death, it should be filled within 90 days on a permanent basis. This approach aligns with the Constitution's vision of a permanent judiciary and ensures the continuity of judicial functions. Conclusion No. 3. Furthermore, the court directed that permanent Chief Justices should be appointed promptly, especially in high courts where there is no permanent incumbent. Direction No. A. It also stressed the need for appropriate action to initiate the filling of permanent vacancies of judges. Direction No. C. To acting Chief Justices and judges. The court differentiated between permanent and temporary appointments, especially for acting Chief Justices. It noted that acting Chief Justices are appointed for short durations, generally not exceeding 90 days, and their role should be limited to routine matters, excluding significant policy decisions and judge appointments. The court reasoned that this distinction is essential to maintain the independence of the judiciary, per Sajjad Ali Shah, C.J. 3. Transfer of judges. Regarding the transfer of judges between high courts, Article 200 of the Constitution was examined. The court clarified that such transfers can only occur in the public interest and should not be utilized as a form of punishment. This ensures that judicial officers are not subjected to arbitrary transfers and maintains the integrity of the judiciary. Constitution of Pakistan, 1973, Art. 200. 4. Supreme Court judges as acting Chief Justices. The court expressed reservations about assigning Supreme Court judges as acting Chief Justices of high courts. It noted that such appointments can lead to complications, including the appealability of their judgments in the Supreme Court. The court recommended avoiding this practice to maintain harmonious working relations, per Sajjad Ali Shah, C.J. Conclusion. In conclusion, the case of Al-Jihad Trust vs Federation of Pakistan provides valuable insights into the principles governing the appointment and transfer of judges in Pakistan's judiciary. It emphasizes the importance of timely appointments, the limited role of acting Chief Justices, and the necessity of transferring judges only in the public interest. These principles safeguard the independence and integrity of the judiciary, ensuring its effective functioning within the constitutional framework.